Welcome to Bucktool. Today, we're going to talk about two super practical grinders, TDS 200DS and TLG 150S. The first is the 8-inch 2-speed bench grinder TDS 200DS. It drives the grinding wheel to rotate through an electric motor and provides 2-speed options. You want rough grinding or fine grinding? It's up to you. It's especially suitable for metal processing and tool repair, processing larger areas of workpieces. Next is the 6-inch slow-speed bench grinder TLG 150S. Its electric motor runs at a lower speed, producing stable grinding force. Slow-speed operation prevents overheating, which is ideal for sharpening tools. The TDS 200DS is perfect for metal, tool maintenance, and even educational training and DIY projects. It's perfect for everything. The TLG 150S is more suitable for home DIY, tool maintenance, and small repair. Using these two grinders in combination can give full play to their respective advantages. From coarse grinding to fine grinding, they can flexibly respond to various processing needs and double work efficiency. If you need to handle hard metals and carry out high-load work, choose the TDS 200DS. If you're concerned about fine grinding, it is no problem to choose the TLG 150S, suitable for home and teaching purposes. Bucktool, an old-school American brand, focuses on providing top-quality power tools to help every craftsman realize their dreams. Want to know more? Come and follow us and let Bucktool help you start your DIY creative journey.